To create this painting, you'll need these 5 tubes of oil paint. Stick to well-known name brands like Winsor Newton, Gamblin, Grumbacher, and Rembrandt. They are the highest quality. Other brands will be a bad consistency and make painting more difficult, so this isn't where you want to be thrifty. To save money, you can buy most of these colors in mini 21 milliliter size tubes if you can find them. They should cost less than $4 each. Use Turpenoid instead of turpentine because it has no odor and it's harmless to breathe. You'll need a palette knife, gesso, Demar varnish, regular or glossy, liquin, tracing paper, illustration board 2-ply, a ruler, an X-Acto knife, and a pencil. For this class, we won't be using oil paint brushes. Oil brushes are coarse, we'll be using a softer brush. The categories you'll find this brush list in is acrylic brushes, acrylic oil brushes, or watercolor brushes. Try to buy from the brand Princeton, but it's okay to buy from other brands depending on what your local art store carries. Although I would like you to try out the spectrum of brushes I suggested, these will be the bare minimum you'll need and see me using in the demonstrations.